Okay.
So 2 keys,
Okay.
or we have a digital version which takes a key fob, and the key fob has the battery. The key fob has the battery,
Oh,
so
okay.
there's no power in here. Same with the cylinders. There's no power in the cylinders.
Okay.
It's the key fob that provides the power, and the key fob connects to your phone using Bluetooth, and that's how you can configure it. And the same with the ones for the shipping containers.
Okay. That's also no key.
Yeah, or we
That's
do
a key fob, huh?
Yeah, key fob. Yeah, we also do a mechanical key version of all of these,
Okay.
just
So,
like these ones
how
are.
do you say that's the world's strongest
Padlock.
Padlock.
Yeah, there's a company over there called LPCB. They've got a lab at the back.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Yeah. These are their only level 5 padlocks in the world. So they're the world's strongest padlocks.
Okay.
So of course, if you're cutting through here, you have to cut twice. If you cut through once, you don't gain anything. You have to cut twice so you can take it out.
Got it.